Well, very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Khushbu Kapoor, and it gives me an immense pride, privilege, and absolute pleasure to welcome you all to this momentous occasion, which is the listing ceremony of Danish Power Limited. Before we commence this beautiful event, let's have a big, big round of applause for this momentous occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put your hands together. Thank you so much. Let me start by saying thanks to everyone for taking out your precious time from your busy schedules. Thank you for being present here. And let's begin with the national anthem by paying respect to our country. May I request you all to please rise from your seats and let's commence this beautiful, lovely event with the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you so much. Please take your seats. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to proceed with the lamp lighting ceremony. Let's take the blessings of Lord, the supreme power, to begin this beautiful, inspiring event. I would love to request the dignitaries to kindly join us on the stage. May I request Mr. Danish Talwarji, Chairman Danish Power Limited, to kindly join us. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together to welcome him on the stage. May I request Mr. Shivam Talwarji, Managing Director, Danish Power Limited. Heartiest welcome to you, sir. I would now like to request Mr. Subhadeep Majumdarji, Chief Manager, Primary Market Relationship from National Stock Exchange, Mumbai. Heartiest welcome to you, sir. I would love to request Mr. Prateek Jain, Managing Director, Hem Securities Limited, to kindly join us for the lamp lighting. I would request Mr. S.S. Bhandari-ji, Independent Director, Danish Power Limited, to please join us for the ceremonial lighting. As we are close to this important milestone of ringing the bell, as per our Indian tradition, it's always considered very auspicious to light the diyas as a symbol of light and prosperity. Let's begin with the lamp lighting ceremony. May I request our dignitaries to kindly light up the lamps.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
Thank you so much. Can we bring in some applause? Come on. Thanks a lot for lighting up the lamp and for initiating this loveliest event. Thank you. Now let me take the pleasure to introduce our company to you all. It's an honor to introduce Danish Power Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, Danish Power Limited was founded in the year 1985 by Mrs. Shashi Talwarji and Mr. Dinesh Talwarji. The company currently works in the power and energy sector by manufacturing and exporting transformers, panel, and automation services dedicated to offering customized and high-quality products for the most sophisticated technical requirements of the power and energy sector. The company specializes in transformers manufactured for the renewable energy sector and is proud to have an installation base in over 10 gigawatt of solar power plants across India and internationally as well. The company is headquartered at Jaipur, Rajasthan. The company operates two manufacturing facilities, one in Sitapura Industrial Area, Jaipur, and other at Mahindra World City, Jaipur, and is supplying its quality certified products across pan-India basis, as well as exporting to over 32 countries in the world. Over the years of consistent performance, the words reliability and quality has become synonym with the brand Danish. Here is the small video that we would like to have your attention to. Let's have your attention at our LED screen where we're going to showcase a journey of Danish Power Limited. Let's have a big round of applause, everyone, for Danish Power Limited. So this is all about Danish Power Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, now let's extend a warm welcome to our distinguished guests with a lovely bouquet. I would request Mr. S.L. Mishra ji, Head Quality of the company, to please join me on this stage to present the floral welcome. Shri S.L. Mishra ji is here. Let's welcome him with a round of applause. Heartiest welcome, sir. I would first like to invite Mr. Subhadeep Majumdar ji, Chief Manager, Primary Market Relationship from National Stock Exchange, Mumbai, to please join us on the stage. We would love to welcome you, sir. Can we have a big, big round of applause, everyone, for Mr. Subhadeep Majumdar ji, Chief Manager, Primary Market Relationship from National Stock Exchange. May I request Mr. S.L. Mishra ji, Head Quality of the company, to kindly welcome, sir. Heartiest welcome to you, sir. Music के साथ आप लोगों की तालियां भी होनी चाहिए, everyone. May I request S.L. Mishra ji to please stay with us on the stage. We would like to invite Mr. Prateek Jain ji, Managing Director, Haim Securities Limited, on the stage. Let's have a huge round of applause. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot for being here with us on the stage and for doing the floral welcome. And thank you, everyone. With that positivity, we proceed to the next phase. And now I would like to request Mr. Prateek Jainji, Him Securities, our book running lead manager, to deliver the opening speech. Can we have a big round of applause for him to welcome him on the stage?
Good morning, everyone. Well, today's listing is a special one in many ways. A Jaipur-based company through a Jaipur-based merchant banker, launching the largest ever SME IPO of India, and now hosting this listing ceremony in Jaipur, and that too on this auspicious day of Dhanteras. You heard me right. Danish Power is the largest SME IPO till date, which makes Danish the largest company in terms of market cap at issue price to get listed on the SME platforms in India. It's my honor to have you all here for this listing ceremony today. On behalf of AIM Securities, as BRLM to the issue, I would like to congratulate the entire team of Danish for the relentless efforts to make this happen today and to get the company listed. Well, there are very few companies in India who have been able to reach this milestone. So इंडिया में आज लगभग 15 लाख कंपनीज हैं जो एक्टिव है एज ऑफ टुडे, मे बी रजिस्टर्ड शायद 22-23 लाख कुछ कंपनीज होंगी. उसमें से अभी तक सिर्फ और सिर्फ 8-9 हज़ार कंपनीज हैं जिन्होंने लिस्टिंग करवाई है. सो इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट हैज़ अ हिस्ट्री ऑफ मे बी वॉट अबाउट 100 years, and till date only about 8,000 companies have got listed. So today we can proudly say that yes, even Danish is also a part of that elite club of listed companies in India. This has been a great journey for Danish over the last 40 years or so, and this has culminated into a very, very successful IPO, which was oversubscribed by more than 118 times. All this was possible only because of the business model what the company has. The business model relies fundamentally on serving the power sector of the country, which is the backbone of any developing country like India. And with their focus on the renewable sector, renewable energy sector, this combination of power with renewables resonated so well with the investors at large, and this is what led to such a great response in the IPO. We asked for 198 crores, and people gave us 16,800 crores. The QIB book was oversubscribed by more than 100 times, HNI by about 275 times, and retail by about 80 times. We received a total of about 5 lakh applications from all parts of the country, and there were multiple applications, multiple investors who wrote a single check of more than 100 crores. Important to note, being an SME IPO, but still more than 80 QIBs participated in the IPO, which included various banks, mutual funds, AIFs, and other institutions. I would take this opportunity to thank all the investors for showing their continued support to our IPOs. As merchant bankers, this is our 127th company to get listed on the Indian stock markets, which is also the largest number for any merchant banker in India on the SME platforms. We at Him Securities feel extremely honored to be a part of this IPO. I would like to thank Dinesh ji, Shivam ji for giving us this opportunity to be their lead managers to the issue. I would like to acknowledge the efforts put in by all the intermediaries who were connected with us in the IPO, the legal advisors, the bankers, the auditors, registrars, the team at Danish, and our team at Him led by Saurav Garg ji. And I must admit, listing does come with certain added responsibilities also. So Shivamji, till yesterday you were running Danish like a private company. You were concerned about your employees, your customers, your clients, your vendors, your bankers. But from today, you have thousands and thousands of shareholders also to take care of, who have shown faith in you, who have trusted you, and who are hoping and willing to see Danish grow. And I am sure under your capable leadership, Danish will continue to work on its mission and achieve newer heights. Once again, congratulations. Thank you. Best wishes.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. I would now like to request our chairman of the company, Mr. Dinesh Talwarji, along with Mr. Shivam Talwarji, Managing Director of Danish Power Limited, to kindly join me on the stage and deliver a few words. Let's have a huge round of applause to welcome them on the stage, everyone.
Good morning, everybody. Today marks the milestone of Danish Public Limited. This IPO reflects the growth of our company and creating the long-term value. Thank you, everyone who have involved in making this day possible. Thank you so much.
So my father has always been a man of few words. So I'll take it forward from here on his behalf. Ladies and gentlemen, this is working. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guest, Mr. Mazumdar sir from National Stock Exchange, Mr. Prateek ji from Hem Securities Limited, and all our valued stakeholders. Firstly, wishing you all a very happy Dhanteras with blessings of Almighty. And my mother, Mrs. Shashi Talwarji, I welcome you all to this listing ceremony. So as my father said, today marks a significant milestone in the journey of our organization as we celebrate our listing ceremony on the National Stock Exchange Emerge platform. The achievement is not just a testament to our hard work, dedication, and vision, but also a reflection of unwavering support from various people across our journey in the last 40 years. The company Danish was founded by my parents, Mr. Dinesh Talwarji and Mrs. Shashi Talwarji, over 39 years ago. The company has been nurtured like a child and grown up with the blessings and support of my parents all throughout in the last 40 years. In my own 17 years of journey, I've been very fortunate to have consistent support of my parents, my spouse, Puneet, my children, Nimrat and Kabir, my sister and brother-in-law, Sheena and Tarun, and everyone out here. Thank you once again for the various support throughout the up and down journey of this last 17 years of my life in Danish. From our very humble beginnings, we have strived to innovate, to grow, and to create value, not just for our shareholders, but also for our employees, customers, and the communities we serve. This listing opens new avenues for growth and reinforces our commitment to transparency, accountability, and excellence. As Prateek ji said कि अब shareholders का भी ध्यान रखना है, but जब मैं first time प्रतीक जी और गौरव जी से meeting हुआ था कि listing के बाद हमें क्या करना है, तो इन्होंने एक ही बात बोली कि जैसे आप अपना business करते आ रहे हो वैसे ही करो. तो आई थिंक वो करते जाएंगे तो अपने आप शेयर होल्डर्स का भी ध्यान हो जाएगा और सारी चीजें हो जाएंगी. उसके अलावा मुझे कुछ आता नहीं है. So I won't repeat what Prateek said. Biggest SME IPO. We did not expect that, but thanking all the investors with such high number of applications that have come forward. I think this is a true testament of the acceptance and the trust the investors have shown in our company. With this capital infusion, the company will expand its manufacturing operations and continuously make efforts to be a reliable, trusted, and a quality manufacturer of equipments for the power and energy sector. It's often said that the captain is only as good as his team. Team Danish is a very, very key role in our entire journey. I think we are currently more than 350 people and are growing every day. A big hand of applause for all the team members of Danish who have ever been a part, not just who are today, but who have ever been a part of Danish. I think each one of them has contributed to this journey. I think with pride, I would like to share a few of our team members, or in fact, many of our team members have been with us for more than a period of 15, 20, 25, 30, and even some are over 35 years of association with the company. And they are more than a family to us. I think a few names who have been pillars of Danish, Shivraj Neruka ji, Surendra Yadav ji, S.L. Mishra ji, A.K. Sharma ji, Mr. B.S. Shekhawat ji, G.L. Verma, Shirpal Singh, Akhilesh Dikshit, and many more. I mean, I can't name all of them, but I think they have been always instrumental in the growth of the company. And I hope as the promoter of the company, we've been able to do justice in their contributions in the life. Special mention to Mr. Rajat Jain and his team, who has been instrumental in the journey of the company's listing. So a huge round of applause for his team as well. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank our long-term auditors, R. Sogani and Associates, Mr. Bharat ji and Mr. Rajiv ji, our present auditors, Mr. H.C. Bothra and Associates, and our complete board of directors as well. Now, association with Hem Securities, it's been extremely special. I think कोई भी association आगे बढ़ने के लिए एक आपकी wavelength, आपके thought process match करने चाहिए, and that has been the key factor with the alignment of thoughts with Prateek ji and his entire team. So a very big thanks to Prateek ji and Gaurav ji, Hem Securities, and for guiding us all throughout. And it's been a beautiful journey with the team of Hem, led by Saurabh ji, Gaurav ji, Swati ji, and many more who have assisted us, explained us. I mean, for us, everything was very, very new. But at every step, we were guided so nicely that हम जब गए public के सामने तो हमें लगा हम खुद ही expert हैं, but जो हम actual में नहीं थे. But it's been a great journey. Thank you so much once again. As we embark on this new exciting chapter, we remain focused on our core values, integrity, teamwork, and sustainability. We believe with your continued support of our team, our vendors, customers, and all the investors and stakeholders, we can build a brighter future together and continue to give back to the society. Thank you all for coming and being a part of this special occasion. We look forward to achieving new heights and making a lasting impact in many years to come. As one of my very close friends says, that God has been very kind, and again thanking God for what we have been able to achieve here. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you. Thank you so much. That was really a very emotional address, started with a lot of emotions, and you really have a lot of milestones to cross, and you have achieved a lot. It's been a glorious journey for Danish Power Limited. Let's have a big round of applause once again, ladies and gentlemen. And with this, I would now like to take the honor of inviting Mr. Subhadeep Majumdarji, Chief Manager, Primary Market Relationship from National Stock Exchange, Mumbai, to kindly join me on the stage and share his thoughts on this big momentous occasion. Let's have a big round of applause, everyone, for Mr. Majumdar.
Sir Dinesh Talwar ji, Chairman and Whole-Time Director, Danish Power Limited. Sri Shivam Talwar ji, Managing Director, Danish Power Limited. Sri Prateek Jain ji, Managing Director, Hem Securities, and other dignitaries, employees, and family members present. It's given me immense pleasure to deliver on our auspicious day of Dhanteras. Good morning and warm welcome to all for the listing ceremony of Danish Power Limited. Company is in the business of manufacturing of different kind of transformers, including inverter duty transformer used in renewable power projects like solar power plant or wind farms, oil, dry type power, and distribution transformers, control relay panel, along with the substation automation services. Exchange is proud to welcome Danish Power Limited to our family of listed corporates, and this will be the 571st company to list on NSE Emerge platform. The total market capitalization of NSE Emerge listed has crossed 2 lakh crores. The total fund raised by all the listed companies on Emerge platform till date is around 14,870 crores. From today onwards, Danish Power Limited will be the integral part of it. India is the 4th largest market in the world in terms of market capitalization of US dollar 5.16 trillion after US, China, and Japan. The market capitalization of India has grown about 113 times in rupee terms since exchange started its operation in 1994. So over a period of 20 years. I'm happy to share that recently exchange achieved a milestone of 10 crore unique registered investors having 19 crore accounts covering 7.5 crore plus households, accounting for nearly 20% of India's population directly investing in stock market today. It is testament to India's entrepreneurial activities and trust of the people on its entrepreneurs. The IPO of Danish Power Limited with an issue size of 197.9 crores garnered a good response. We hope that today's successful listing of Danish Power Limited will inspire many more companies to look at the public markets as a promising alternative. We at Exchange are committed to facilitate fundraising opportunities for upcoming organizations to chart their growth stories and make capital markets more accessible. We hope that this listing day is start of a strong partnership going forward between us. I congratulate the entire team of Danish Power Limited, the merchant banker, Hem Securities Limited, and other parties associated in the IPO for their accomplishment, and today's listing is a testimony of their hard work. Exchange once again welcomes Danish Power Limited to the family and looks forward to supporting you for your future fundraising endeavors. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Yes. So it's about to be 9:59 very soon. So at exactly at 10 we are going to have the listing ceremony. So ladies and gentlemen, I would quickly request Mr. Majumdar sir to kindly take center stage. I would also like to request dignitaries along with their family members to kindly come up on the stage. May I request Mr. Dinesh Talwar, Mr. Shivam Talwar, Mrs. Puneet S. Talwar, Master Kabir Talwar, Ms. Nimrat Talwar, Mr. Prateek Jain, Mr. S.S. Bhandari to please come up on the stage. And very soon we are about to see the countdown starting from 10. It's already just 46 seconds left. And we'll begin the countdown very soon. Heartiest congratulations to our Danish family. We are about to have the listing ceremony exactly at 10. I'm sure you all are excited. Only 25 seconds left. Kindly show your excitement with a round of applause, everyone. We will all do the countdown, okay? Starting from 10, only 13 seconds left. All right, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and here we go. Huge congratulations. What a beautiful, lovely listing here. Wonderful. 42.71% gain. We can see listed at the price of 543. Wonderful. Congratulations to everyone who has contributed. It is now officially listed on National Stock Exchange. It's a big, big moment, everyone. Requesting to have a group picture of the Danish family. Wow, the price has increased. Wonderful. May I request Mr. Majumdar to kindly stay with us on the stage. I would request Mr. Dinesh Talwarji and Mr. Shivam Talwarji to kindly stay with us on the stage, and would request Mr. Subhadeep Majumdarji from National Stock Exchange to kindly present the token of love and appreciation. May I request you to kindly bring in the memento? May I request Mr. Majumdar to present this lovely memento to Mr. Dinesh Talwar and Mr. Shivam Talwar. Big round of applause. Heartiest congratulations. The next memento is going to be presented from National Stock Exchange to Haim Securities. I would like to request Mr. Prateek Jain sir to please join us on the stage. Huge round of applause. Thank you. Thank you. We have something more to be presented. Huge round of applause. Okay. May I request Prateek sir once again to please join us on the stage. Would like to have the memento for Prateek sir. Thank you so much, Prateek sir, for all your support. Prateek Jainji from Haim Securities, thank you very much. And thanks to Mr. Majumdar from National Stock Exchange. And ladies and gentlemen, I would now like to take the pleasure to invite Mr. S.S. Bhandari, Independent Director, to please come up on the dais and say a few words. Let's have a huge round of applause to welcome him.
Honored guests, board members of Danish Power, shareholders, the dedicated team at Danish Power, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and hearty welcome to all of you. Today marks a truly historic and proud moment for all of us at Danish Power as we officially list on BSE and NSE. As has been shared, this is not just a significant milestone in our company's journey. It represents a profound commitment to the values of transparency, trust, dedication that have been our guiding principle since our inception. Our journey to today's listing has been driven by a singular mission: to harness sustainable energy resources, to power communities responsible, and to ensure that our operation and growth contribute to cleaner, greener future. We are proud to have established ourselves as a reliable player in the renewable energy sector, striving to make sustainable choices both accessible and impactful. As you are all aware that our products have been very well accepted for their quality. This is one of the most important things to survive in the market and to reach to the international level. More than 25 countries or we have been exporting, and this is not easy task because the quality is very important, and this has been the watchword of this company. And I assure all the shareholders that this will be our continued endeavor to have best quality products. I want to take this opportunity to thank each and every member of Danish Power Limited, all members of HAME Securities, which is very close to my heart, to the NSC for their untiring efforts to bring the IPO, and this is a very, very rare thing in the stock market that this family company getting 118 times or more of the subscription. This is all shows the promoters' clean record. As you know that you must have realized when they were addressing our all members over here, the emotions which was there in their heart. This is a company which has a value system in their inbuilt. Their respect for mother, their respect for the family, the respect for the employees. Everything was well recognized by the Shivam. This is very, very great indication of their purity of the heart, their commitment to the company, and everything they want to do in the future. Hard work, innovation, and dedication have been the backbone of our success, as I mentioned to you, and it is our unwavering commitment that has brought us where we are today. To our shareholders and future investors, we are grateful for your belief in our vision. Listing Danish Power Limited is not just a financial decision. In fact, I would like to share that Dinesh was asked many years ago to come on the listing when their exports were going up, but he was quite indifferent on this because he wanted that let us grow to a very sustainable level. We raise IPO, our prices go down. We don't want to do this. And fortunately, all banks are ready to give them any finance they need. So that has been the confidence. But ultimately, we have a bigger vision, as you must have seen in our prospectus, to grow multiple times in quality and in terms of our production level. It was necessary that we have our own funds. We can't rely on companies' funds. And also to contribute to the investors' growth. As I told you, it is not just a financial decision. It is a step forward, ensuring we have the resources and commitment to innovate, to grow sustainably, and to expand our reach. With your support, we aim to remain pioneers in the energy industry, focused on delivering consistent value and fostering a sustainable energy future, as has been shared by everyone. This is only the beginning. Our listing is pledged to uphold the highest standard of corporate governance. I must share you that when I was invited by Dinesh and Subham to join the board, my first reaction was that I know your company, I know you very well, but corporate governance is our watchword. And when I worked with them, I found that they strongly believe they are very open to accept all suggestions, as HAME Securities must have also realized during their interaction. So we believe in strong corporate governance and promise to deliver long-term value to our investors. We are definitely committed from our vision. We don't want to have any sort of manipulation in stock market, sharing our holding to manage, as you all know. I don't want to talk about it much. And the environment we are committed to protecting. Thank you once again for joining us today, for supporting Danish Power. We look forward to an exciting and promising future together. And last thing which I will like to share is that, which is not written in any red herring prospectus or in any of the lectures, the family has a deep humility. You must have seen the emotions when they remembered their mother. She was really a great woman. I had good time with her. And she used to, I can say, love me. All priority, she will offer everything to me first in any party or any event. So this is their emotion part. This is okay. But the second thing is their compassion. The company manages their corporate services funds, CSR funds, very well. And you will be very happy to know that I don't want to go into much details how the CSR funds are also moved here and there. But when the money was left in the CSR commitment, they gave that money to the PM fund, Prime Minister fund. It is a very big thing that you are not concerned with any one party, one social service, and if you are going, you give it money to private. So my hats off to this management, and I can assure you that we will continue to manage with quality control, which is the number one important, grow with humility and transparency, which is always, I will assure as a director and chairman of the audit committee, I will ensure that these things are not compromised at any point of time. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for addressing all of us and for all your appreciation for Danish Power Limited. Well, I would now like to request the memento presentation by our dignitaries. So the mementos are going to be presented by company to National Stock Exchange, to our HAIM Securities, to auditors, bankers, and independent and non-executive director. May I request CMD sir and Shivam sir to please join us on the stage. May I request Mr. Talwar, Mr. Dinesh Talwar, and Mr. Shivam Talwar to kindly join us. Let's have a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Well, we would love to present our token of love and appreciation to Mr. Subhadeep Majumdarji, Chief Manager, National Stock Exchange, Mumbai. Can we have a big round of applause? Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, sir, for all your support. We would now like to present the memento to Mr. Prateek Jainji, Managing Director, HAIM Securities Limited, and to Saurabh Gargji, Vice President, Merchant Banking Team. Thank you so much, sirs, for your support. Next, we would like to present the memento to Mr. Rajiv Sogani ji and Mr. Bharat Sokia ji. Auditors are Sogani and Associates. Congratulations. We would now like to present the token of love to Mr. Abhishek from HC Bothra and Associates. Heartiest welcome to you, sir. May I now request Mr. Nikhil and Mr. Ashish Bakliwal from ICICI Bank Limited to kindly receive the memento. Big hand for them. I would now like to request Mr. Siddharth Mehta from Yes Bank Limited to kindly join us on the stage and receive the memento. A kind request to Mr. Surendra Singh Bhandari, Independent Director, to please join us on the stage and receive the memento, sir. Let's have a big round of applause, everyone. It's now time to honor Mr. Pulkit Sharma, Independent Director. Heartiest welcome to you, sir.